anchor and his water tank full, Thomas set off once more in search of the goods yard. Are we there yet?
I don't think so.
Thomas still doesn't know where he's going.
And those other engines didn't know anything either.
But look, there's a light. That's probably the goods yard now.
And if it's not?
Well, if it's not, then we can stop and ask the directions again.
Or get another engine.
There he's going. Thomas, I have a feeling we're not on Sodor anymore. Wow.
She'll look at that. Wow. I bet James has never been any place like this.
Hello?
What's your name, little tank engine?
Oh, my name is Thomas.
And my name is Hurricane. You know, like a storm. Whoa!
Wow. And I'm Frankie. But you look like you must be a very important little engine.
That's not what my friend James says. He keeps boasting about how he's the Fat Controller's favorite.
Oh, really?
And what do you do when he says something like that?
I get up extra early and take the trucks he was supposed to deliver to the mainland.
Well, isn't he a clever little tank engine, Hurricane?
And a cheeky one too, Frankie.
I'd say he's a keeper. Wouldn't you?